Hi guys! Good afternoon! It's Tuesday. Happy Tuesday everyone! Hello! Kamusta? So it's 3:41 p.m. here at the western side of Canada in British Columbia. How's everyone doing? So it's Happy April Fool's Day. So it's April 1st. So yan, so ano yung mga prank na ginawa nyo sa friends nyo or families nyo? So ayan. So, kamusta? Yes, if you're tuning to me live for the very first time, my name is Camille. I'm a Filipina business mom here in Canada. And kamusta? So, thank you so much for watching, whether it's live or on a replay. Yeah, so how was your weekend, guys? So it's Tuesday, and I'm off today again. Yes, I'm off today because kwento ko muna yung weekends namin. So nung Friday, ano ba ginawa namin nung Friday? So nung Friday, medyo late na, nagkayaan kami ang tatlo na mag-coffee. Bumili ng coffee actually. Bumili lang ng coffee a few blocks away from here. So, as in, biglaan, magliligpit na ako, magugas na ako ng mga pinggan, ganyan. So, biglaan, sabi nung daughter ko, nag-crave daw siya for something sweet. So, sabi ko, sige, let's go. So, nagbis na kami, and then, so, bumili lang kami ng coffee, and then some brownies and cake pops. So, and then afterwards, umuwi na, kasama namin yung husband ko. And then afterwards, so naglaro lang kami ng card games. So, Uno. If you're familiar with Uno, I know how it goes. What are the rules of playing Uno. And we had, I think, 3 games. And then eventually, tapos na because I have to fix the house pa after that. So, it was a very relaxed Friday, but a good one because we were able to bond with the family. Hi Venus, thank you so much for watching. And then come Saturday, so Saturday, ang ginawa namin naman is early in the afternoon, siguro mga around 4:30, nag-video kami. Dito lang naman sa bahay, so nag-video kaming tatlo. So, and then natapos kami siguro around 10:30. So, it's videoke / dinner na, and then me and my husband had some wine. So, it was a very good night as well. So, Saturday still good. Friday was good. Saturday was good. And then Sunday, we were able to fulfill our spiritual obligations. So we went to church early in the morning. After that, we went to the groceries para bumili ng mga kailangan for this week. So yung snacks or baon sa school and sa work. So usually ganun lang naman yung Sunday namin. And then after that, we went back home, and then I cooked lunch. We ate lunch, and then nagkayayaan naman mag-mall. So, we went to the mall. So, wala. Ikot-ikot lang. Instead of doing treadmill, yun yung parang exercise namin ng husband ko. At least we can bond together. And then, medyo nalilibang pa kami. Although, lahat na halos ng shop and sale sa mall na yon is kabisado na namin. Is like weekly, nandun yata kami. So, yan. So, okay. So, and then, this unfortunate situation came. So, we were crossing the parking lot na. So, pauwi na kami. Punta na kami sa parking lot. And then, I calculated my step or miscalculated my step. So, nangyari na natapil ko or natapil or nadapa ako. And then, so, it was so funny kasi, sabi ko daw, pagkadapa ako, sabi ko, aray, nadapa ako. And then, yung husband ko and yung daughter ko, alam mo yun, yung gusto nilang tumulong, pero tawa sila ng tawa. And, yung hiyang-hiya sila doon sa nangyari. So, of course, siyempre nakakaya naman talaga, di ba? Madapa ka nga in public. And to think na, sabi pa naman, hindi pa kami nag-cross sa tamang daan, which is doon sa pedestrian talaga. So parang nakakahiya lalo yan kasi hindi ka nag-cross sa tamang daan or sa pedestrian, nadapa ka tuloy. So ano ko yung mga tao daw na nakakita is natatawa rin. So, it was unfortunate, but it was a really good, what do you call it, weekend for the three of us. Okay, relax, walang away, walang kahit ano. So, we were all enjoyed our weekend this last weekend. So, ayun. So, then, pagdating namin sa bahay, talagang nilagyan ko na siya ng ice yung paa ko. Although, masakit talaga siya. So, nilagyan ko na siya ng ice. I put some ice for a couple of minutes. And then, so, natulog ako na maaga nun. I don't know whether maybe because of the pain, kaya natulog ako ng maaga. I think 9:30. It's very unusual for me. I usually go to bed around, earliest would be 10, 11. And usually mga 12:30 ako nakakatulog. But that day, that Sunday, sabi ko matutulog ako ng maaga, hihiga ako ng maaga. Maybe because ang sakit talaga nung pa ako. So, and then so in-elevate ko siya while, for a few minutes in-elevate ko siya, hoping na it will help. So after maybe 10-15 minutes, sobrang sakit nung paa ko. Sobrang sakit, as in nakakaiyak yung sakit. And then yung husband ko, tulog na siya, maaga kasi natutulog yun. Tapos ginigising ko siya, sabi ko, as in bulong lang, hindi siya yung gising masakit. Parang binubulong ako na siya, ko na, ang sakit na ba ako? Ang sakit na ba ako? So, hindi ko na matiis. Naalala ko may mga salompas ako na pakadami kong biniling salompas last year. I don't know why. Basta bumili ko ng isang box, which is, I think, 150 pieces. So, sabi ko, yung lalagay ko. So, tinapalan ko lahat. Yung buong left foot ko, as in, 4 ata yung nilagay ko doon just to ease the pain. Yan. So, Daddy, thank you so much for watching. Welcome here. Welcome. And thank you. Yan. So, nilagyan ko siya. And then the following morning, medyo okay naman. So, the pain was bearable. But it's Monday, so I have to go to work. So, but sa work talagang I was limping kasi hindi ko siya maitapak na maayos. You know, di ba, pag natapilo kayo, masakit talaga siya itapak ng usual na tapak. So talagang hindi ko pinersa, paunti-unti lang yung lakad ko. Even though nakakaya sa work. But kesa naman matapilok ulit ako and then mas lalong lumala. So, and then, so sabi ko dun sa supervisor ko, I need to take a rest tomorrow, which is today. So I need a vacation kasi ayokong lumala yung injury ko and mas lalong hindi ako makakapasok or mas lalong wala akong magagawa. So pinayagan naman ako in short. So okay, sige. So pinayagan ako. So now I'm here sa house na, so kaya hindi ako pumasok today because I'm trying to rest my foot para gumaling na siya. Although it was way better than last Sunday and yesterday. So, okay naman siya. Okay na siya. And I think I can go to work tomorrow. Yan. So kaya, what was your happenings last weekends? So, comment down below if you want to share something or even comment down your location. We want to see, or I want to see how global this is. So, ayan. So, ayan guys. So, ang sa akin lang, so, tayo sa work, we are like that. Hindi natin alam kung ano yung pwedeng mangyari sa atin. Whether ma-aksidente ba tayo, magkakasakit tayo. We could be laid off. Pwedeng malugi yung company na pinagtatrabahuhan natin. Meaning, we are all, we can be let go of our employer anytime. So, kayo, what are your plans or ano yung mga fallback or backup plans nyo pag nangyari yon? So, meron ba? So, I hope everyone meron kayong plan B just in case that happens. Because it's easier, so mas mapanatag yung loob nyo pag may mga ganong plan B. I just want to share with you my plan B, what my plan B is. So I have a digital business, an online business. It's a global business. Our market is around the world. All the business partners are from different countries, from different nationalities, from different cultures, different beliefs, religions, industries. So iba-iba. As in, iba-iba. It's very diverse yung business community namin. So yun yung plan B ko. So just in case may pandemic ulit or something happens, at least meron akong fallback. And also, because I want to retire earlier than usual, hindi ko na kaya mag-intay ng 60, 65. So that would be 20, 25 years from now. So hindi ko na kaya mag-work for that too long. And that's why I ventured into this online business. So if you want to know more, just message me anytime, and ask me anything about it. And if you want to do the first step, it's very, very easy. Oh, by the way, today is Tuesday. So every Tuesday and Thursday, meron kaming live info session. That's 5 p.m. PST. All you have to do is register on my website. It's www.camilledigitallife.com. Just register there and you can have the access to the free info session. But if you miss the session for today or Thursday, you can also watch the replay. So all you have to do is the same. Just register on the website and then, or message me na lang so I can register your name and email address on my website. I'll do it for you and then I'll send you the link for the free 90-minute video. So on the webinar, you'll know the basic information about this online business, how it works, how or what are your benefits out from it, and what will be your expectations. Also, you'll see there yung mga business partners around the globe, around the world, who that this business have changed their lives. So our community is more than 200,000 around the globe. So if you think the world would be saturated, I don't think so. 200,000 against billions of people in the world. So I don't think it will be saturated in the next 10 years or so. And the population is still growing and growing, and then yung mga bata lumalaki sila, so they'll be becoming adults and of legal age. So I don't think this market will be saturated. And also just to let you know some facts, digital marketing is the top 3 industries today. So I think it started from 2022 and it will still boom until 2028. Hindi po ibig sabihin magbo-boom isa hanggang 2028 lang. Ibig sabihin yun yung projection na yun yung pinakamataas na digital marketing industry or yung naabot or yung statistics ni digital marketing sa buong mundo. So now is the best time to venture out on this business. Now is the best time to check on this business, which is you're just checking it. Wala naman pong mawawala. You just have to watch the video, check it first, do your due diligence, do your researches, and then let us know if and we'll see if this one is a good fit for you, or you'll feel it in your within you if this will be for yourself. So, di ba lagi naman tayo may mga what if hindi ko to ginawa, what if sana ginawa ko to. So, sana hindi po ito yung what if nyo. So, what if hindi, sana chinek ko siya, what if chinek ko siya. In the near future, baka sabihin nyo, what if chinek ko siya, di sana ngayon retired na ako, sana ngayon mayaman na ako, sana ngayon financially stable na ako, sana ngayon may business na ako na very successful, sana ngayon yung I can pass on this business to my children, sana if only I check this out, di sana ngayon I was able to help so many other people because I have enough. So yun, so don't think na if you check it out, you'll be obligated to join the business. Hindi po. You're not going to be obligated. We are not forcing anyone here. We're just sharing of the things of how you could leverage on the social media and how you could change your life and how you could achieve your dreams and goals in life through this business. So, yan guys. So, if you wanna check it out, message me please. And then I'll guide you on the very first step that you need to do. Yan. So, sabi nga, actually, yung mga swerte nga yung mga nag-join na last year and 2 years ago or 3 years ago because they were able to do the business na. Kumbaga, na-set up na nila yung business nila because of the automated system. They were able to at least do one step at a time. One step at a time. You don't have to jump from this one to that one. Little steps makes a difference. So, okay guys. So if you're interested, message me. I'll be really happy to help. And yes, I'll see you on my next live. Thank you so much. Bye guys.